In this 2-hour course, you're going to learn everything you need to know about starting your own drop servicing business. In this video, you're going to learn about product research, which is also known as niche selection, deciding the kind of business model you want to go into. That's your niche. After that, I'll be showing you how to set up your landing page or your website and integrate payment systems like PayPal that will enable you to start accepting payment from your clients. After that, I'll be showing you how to promote your business on free websites like classified as websites or Facebook for free. Because of the detailed nature of the course, I will advise you to always take some break or rest every 30 minutes of the course. I uploaded this as series of videos or series on YouTube, but I found it necessary to compile everything as one video. That way, those who like watching everything in one video will also benefit. If you found value out of my YouTube video or my channel, remember to subscribe. Some of these videos always take like 2 weeks to make, so you can also decide to subscribe to my YouTube channel to be part of the loop. Anytime I release a video like this, you get notified. Have a great learning experience from me. I'll see you in the inside. Enjoy. Hi, welcome to my Drop Servicing 101 course. In this course, you're going to learn everything about drop servicing. I guarantee you that after completing this course, you should be able to run your own drop servicing business. Let me show you what we're going to be covering in this course. I know this course can be hours long. Because of that, I'm breaking it into series so you can follow along. We're going to be covering product research, where to get our services to resell. After that, we will set up our website just like this in order to start accepting payment. From there, we're going to be doing our product research on websites like Fiverr, freelancer.com, and other freelancer marketplaces. After we set up everything and set up our packages, we're going to promote our website or our services on Facebook for free. Not just that, we also list our services on classified ads website, and that's the free marketing route. We'll go deep by looking at how to run ads and target people who may be interested in our offer. Because of the detailed nature of the course, I'm going to be breaking everything into series. Enough of the talking, let me show you a demo how the website is going to look like and how the business model will be. So this is my landing page and this is the website I'm going to be using to collect payments. Okay. Your customers can click on order now and go to your payment or your packages. And here are your packages. Okay, you have basic package, standard, and premium package. With your basic package, you can give your price, description, and what you offer. The standard package, the same way, the price, description, what you offer. And the premium package, your price and what you offer. You may be wondering, hey, I don't have any skill to sell. Don't worry, in this video you don't need any skill to start. You can start by outsourcing. Once you get a client, you go ahead and place an order on a freelancing marketplace at a lower price and then keep the profit. Okay, so after they land on your website and showed interest, they'll click on get started. So they'll click on get started. And it will take them to an invoice page, a payment method where they can start accepting, they can make payment. So let's wait for a PayPal invoice page to load, and as you can see, they'll be able to pay you through PayPal. Hey, if your country does not support PayPal, don't worry, because this video is going to be hours long. I'm going to take my time and explain everything in detail. Okay, so let's go back to the website. All right, the same way applies to the standard package. You can click on get started and then pay you. After you receive your payment, you go ahead and place an order on freelancing websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or other freelancing marketplaces, and then you keep the profit. All right, so I'm going to be explaining everything in detail in this video. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to integrate WhatsApp chat system on your website so that they can start chatting with you on WhatsApp, and when you come to an agreement, they'll place an order. All right, so that's how it works, and I'm going to show you how to add these pages: featured, about us page, home page, and the pricing page. All right, so let's go back to the home page. So if you're excited to see this coming up in this video, I'm going to be explaining everything into detail. So don't forget to watch my next videos where I'm going to be showing you everything from scratch. I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to video number 2 of my drop servicing course. In this video, we're going to do product research and niche selection. Before we build this website, we need to know the kind of service we're going to be providing to our customers or clients, and that's very important at the beginning stage of your business. Okay, so we're going to research and find the best selling freelancer on Fiverr, and then start creating our website. And after we create our website, we are then going to contact this freelancer. Okay, immediately we get a job or an order. Okay, so this is fiverr.com. I hope you are aware of Fiverr. It's a freelance marketplace. All right, that a seller can provide his service, and you, the buyer, can come and purchase it in the form of a digital service. It's just like e-commerce website, but in the form of digital services. Okay, so this is Fiverr. All right, and on top here you can see graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, businesses, lifestyle, and a lot more you can explore or discover on this website. Okay, so what is the niche? What is the category of business you want to render to your people? Is it graphic design services, digital marketing, writing services? Go ahead and think about the service your potential clients will be interested. And also, during your niche selection, make sure that its demand is high in the market and is also profitable. That will help you in the long run. So think over it. What niche are you going to provide or offer to your clients, and they'll be willing to remove their credit card to place an order on your website? Okay, to place an order on your website and get access to what you're providing. In my case, and for tutorial purposes, I am selecting the programming and tech category because that's what I also teach on this channel. So you can also follow along or copy me by clicking on programming and tech, and then you can discover or explore what Fiverr has for you. But because of tutorial purposes, and also on this website, my demo website, I am providing convert website to Android app service. Because of that, you can come here and click on mobile apps So when you click on mobile apps, you see different developers offering mobile application development. Also, to bring to your notice that there are also some bad sellers on Fiverr. So to make your detailed search, make sure after you click on the seller, okay, so let me pick a random person here. Okay, so let me just pick, for example, let's pick the first person. Okay, I'm just picking a random person. All right, so it is a good practice to read the reviews about this seller, and if you get 90% good ratings, then that means the seller is qualified and is good to provide this service for you. So this person is offering 3 packages: basic, standard, and premium, just like on our website: basic, standard, and premium. Okay, and so with the basic plan, he will manage your current data spreadsheet through mobile application. Okay, this is not what I actually want to resell, but you know, it's for guest testing tutorial. All right, so you go ahead and then you see this price, $20. Make sure you increase it. When you come back to your website, make sure you increase it to more than half, or more than 100% of what he's offering. So you can, because he's offering $20, you can provide it for $40 and you make $20 profit. Okay, so this is just for example. Okay, let me view his standard package: develop application or medium scale business or professional use application. Okay, yeah, he's developing mobile apps. All right, and this one is $200. You can also increase the price, and this one is $500. I think this is too much. Your clients may not buy. All right, so you can, I'm only showing you how to do product research. Make sure you read the reviews. I'm happy to work on this project. Thank you for your feedback. Okay, this is the seller. So let's look at for the buyers. Good job, good work, thank you. All right, did a professional application, very knowledgeable and communicative. Fantastic. So that means he's a good seller. All right, so that's how you get, or you select your sellers after you get your order. Okay, but it's a good practice to stick with one seller. But when you see that he's not providing a good work, then you can change or switch sellers as time to time. Okay, all right. Okay, so that's how you select your seller. But you see, I already have my seller and I'm going to be using that, and I've also ordered service from him, so I'm going to be using this one, this seller, for tutorials. So this is the person, you can see, buy it again. That means I've ordered from this person. Okay, I ordered this for a friend of mine. All right, so I can click on this person. So I'll click on it. Let's wait for it. So this person is promising of converting your website to Android and iOS app, and the basic plan is $5, standard plan is $20, and the premium plan is $40. And I went ahead and increased his basic plan to $25. That means I will be making a profit of $20. His standard package is $20, and I went ahead and increased it to $60. That means $40 profit in case I get an order. And here $40, and I've increased it to $100. You can see that that's $60 in profit. Okay, good. So, and as you can see, he's a good seller. You see 6 orders in queue. I'm not by any means maybe like he has not paid me to promote this for him or something like that, but because I've worked with him, I know he's a good seller, and I'm just using that for tutorials. Okay, and Fiverr has not paid me to do any of this. All right, so I'm just doing my new work here. I have nothing to do with these people. Okay, all right, so I hope you are done with your product research and your niche selection. Now what we are going to do is to build our website. So in my next video, we are going to build this amazing website and then create our packages, and we're going to copy everything from on his page, just like this, everything. And you can see this is what I just copied and I've pasted them here exact. You can see, so basic package, you're getting 1 operating system. Standard package, you're getting 2 operating systems. So that means Android and iOS app. You see that? And the same thing, but this one you will be able to publish for the person on both App Store and Play Store. Okay, so that's it. So in my next video, we are going to start the whole creation process, because we needed to know the service we are to provide before creating the website. So the next video, we're going to create our website just like this. Okay, just like this. You can see. All right, so hoping to see you in the next video. That's video number 3, where I'll be showing you how to create your website. Hello, welcome back. This is video number 3 of my drop servicing 101 course. In this video, we're going to launch our website on the internet. We're going to be registering our website name. After that, we'll get our hosting. In the olden days, before you could launch a website on the internet, you need to get your domain name from a different provider or different company, get your hosting from another company, and then bring them together by connecting the DNS or the name service. But fast forward, technology has grown to a point where you can get everything from one provider, making your work a lot easier. And because of that, you don't need any deep technical knowledge or know-how to do this. So we're going to register our name called domain name, and we're going to also need a place to keep our website files called web hosting. So you see, all these files are stored inside a place called, or a computer called, hosting provider. And the speed and performance of your website mainly depends on the hosting provider you choose. Okay, so that's also very important, and that's why I always recommend Makio Host, because I've tested it myself, I've used it myself, I've used it for my clients. If I get a client today, that's where I'm going to be hosting my clients' websites, because I know the ins and outs of Makio Host. All right, and I'm also telling you it's good. All right, so in the description of this video, there's a coupon code TUB50. I'm giving you 50% off, and it's a partnership with Makio Host to give my clients 50% off. So when you click on the link, it will take you to Makio Host. It will take you to makigohost.com. So it will take you to a page just like this. All right. Okay. So what we need to do is to order their shared hosting plan. So you scroll down and read more about Makio Host, and then go. When you see shared hosting, you click on it, order hosting. So you click on it. Okay. And this is Makio Host shared hosting plan or page. You can scroll down. You can also read more about them. And when you get here, you can see Go Basic plan, Standard plan, and Go Unlimited plan. With the Go Basic plan, you'll be able to host one website, and because we are going to build all this website, we need the Go Basic plan. And you have 20 gigabyte SSD storage, which is enough for you. So the Go Basic plan is okay. But in future, if you have different business you want to build or website you want to build, then you can upgrade to Go standard. And that is why MakiHost is good, because it's scalable. You can't, as your business grows, you can also upgrade alongside. And you can also get unlimited visitors to your website, and that's bandwidth. Okay, the number of downloads and uploads that's happening on your website is the bandwidth. And you also have unlimited FTP accounts. Maybe if you have different developers working on your website, you can give your FTP details to them to log in and work on your account separately. Okay. So that is also to say that if you are ordering a web hosting that limits the number of FTP accounts, that means you can only have one developer working on your website at a time, and that's why these people give you unlimited FTP. You also have 10 emails, okay, and a business email, of course, not Gmail, all right, because it's your business. You want to provide professional emails, so when they land on your website, they'll be able to contact you through your business email and not Gmail. And they also, that will give them the trust, because they know how serious you are. And you have 10 databases. Because it's a WordPress website, you need one database, but it's 10 database is too much for you, and yeah, it's okay. So you also have free domain. Oh, because you are a new customer, they are giving you a free domain registration for 1 year. All right, okay, and same renewal price. So after you pay this, that means next year you'll be paying the same amount, and 24/7 support, technical support, and a lot. All right, so yeah, you can go ahead and deploy, because I don't want these videos to be hours long. All right, so you click on order now. Okay, so you click on order now, and it will take you to a page like this, and this is domain registration page. This is where you're going to be registering your domain name, just like this. Okay, so that's my domain name. This is what I use for tutorials. You can also register your domain name. So you go back here, and then let's register our domain name. So maybe let's say we want to register drop service drop service. Okay, let's say drop service 2022. So hey, this is for tutorials. Do not copy me. Also enter your domain name, okay, because this drop service 2022 does not make sense. I'm only trying to see. So let's even check to see if this domain name is still available for us to register. So you click on check. Let's wait for it. And congratulations, this domain name is still available for registration. It has not been taken. Okay, so you can register your domain name. Okay, so yeah, you can claim ownership of it. All right, so this is the domain name I'm going to register. I'm going to show you how to also register. So you can click on continue. So continue, and it gets brought us to a page just like this, and that is your config page, and that's where you review your package, and that's Go Basic. Congrats, and you can host one website. So this is just the package, and below here you can see, you see that from $2 is now $58, and this is the reason you are paying for 12 mems 1 full year. Okay, all right, so you're committing, you are with them, sticking with them for 1 year. All right, you can also increase if you don't want to have problems with them, or you want to go long term. You can go 2 years, you can also go 3 years. All right, All right, but for now 1 year is okay. Okay, and that's why you're seeing this price from $2 to this. All right, so I mean $2.99 to this. So now we're going to, and you see there are some available add-ons here. They can integrate your website, integrate Google Analytics for you, so you'll be checking your website to see where the traffic is coming from, how many sales you have made, and a lot more. All right, so that's good. They can also protect your WordPress website from hackers. You know, most WordPress websites get hacked because of poor management. If you want them to protect it for you, they can do that for you. They can also verify and put your website on Google. Okay, after you build this website, it will not be on Google just like that. Even you see my website right now, if you search it, look for it on Google, you will not get it because I have not submitted this on Google. So you have to also do that. If you cannot do that, they can do that for you. All right, so the next thing we are going to do is to click on continue. So click on continue. And this is domain configuration page. It's a review of your domain name. Let's read it. Please review your domain name selection and any available add-ons that are available for them. Okay, so you see this is a review. So your domain name is here. Congrats. There's hosting. You can see has hosting. Congrats. And there are 3 additional add-ons or available add-ons for your domain name: DNS management, ID protection, email forwarding. Please, this ID protection is very important, but if you don't have the money, forget about it. Now let me explain how important ID protection is for your business. After you register this name, your domain name, your data is going straight into Whois database. It just happens. Okay, I don't know how it happens, I don't know why it happens, but it happens. So after this data is entered into Whois database, marketers, spammers, different or sort of people go into Whois database and search for your details. They will then use that details and start spamming you. Okay, but if you mark this, you are safe. So you can add it to cart here. Just click add to cart, or you forget about it and then continue. Okay, so continue. All right, and here we are on review and checkout page. This is where you review your items in your cart. Go basic, domain registration. You can see $0. You are not paying for domain name, and this is the price you're going to be paying every year for your hosting. 48.87. This is what you're going to be paying. Okay, but for now you are paying this because of the free domain name. Okay, but to make it juicy, I am giving you 50% off, and because I've partnered with Makio Host to use the code to give to my viewers just like you, if you type TUP50, you will get 50% off. Okay, so go ahead and type TUP50 and then click on validate code. And congrats, from 35.88 you are not paying 17.94. okay, and yeah, that's it. So you can click on checkout. Okay, so you click on checkout, and here you enter your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, country, your zip, social security number. I'm kidding. No place for social security number. Do not provide your social security number if they ask for it. Oh, okay. So your zip code, your postcode, your city, and then you come here and choose your password. And for security reasons, you can also always use this password generator. So you click on generate password, and it will give you a strong password. You can also increase its length. If you want your password to be 22 characters long, you can also do that. And you can also click on generate new password. And you can see the length has increased. So that's a password generator. I always recommend that, to use a password generator. And you can click on copy to clipboard and insert. So click on it, but make sure you insert this password into your notepad so that you will not forget. Even if you forget of your password, don't worry, because you can always reset for a new password. And after that, you choose your payment, your preferred payment methods in order to make payment. If you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, other crypto currencies, you can also choose that here. So here, if you have credit card here, also you can also pay with credit card here and here. But this one is a good fit for, or a good option for my African friends, especially Ghanaians, because payment in Ghana is challenging, and they have integrated this for them. So okay, for us, I'm also in Ghana, so I can make payment. If you also have PayPal, you can also select that here and make payment with PayPal, because PayPal is supported with this payment option. Then after that, you can also join their newsletter here by saying yes to it or no. And after that, you accept the terms of service. And after you accept the terms of service, you click on complete order. All right. So I'm going to complete an order and meet you on the flip side, the dashboard. So that means after you complete order, it will take you straight to the dashboard, and then you configure everything. So I'll see you in the dashboard. Hello, welcome back. This is your client area. So after making payment, you will get a dashboard just like this. And you see here inside your dashboard, you will see something like service 1 and domain name 1. Okay. Just forget about my dashboard, because my dashboard is for tutorial purpose, but I'm telling you what you will see right now. And here you see your shared hosting plan to be Go Basic, because you ordered Go Basic plan. All right. And you also see your domain name here. You can see that. Okay. So I'm going to walk you through the dashboard so you get familiar with your dashboard. So immediately you see something like this, you can click on services. And when you click on services, it will take you to a place where you can be able to go to your cPanel. And I'll be talking about that just in a minute. All right. And here you can also update your details if you want to change any details you have, or any mistake you've made, or you want to just change your name or things, you can also change that here. Okay. You can also order other services here, and you can also log out here. Okay. You can also join their affiliate program if you wish. All right. So for now, we're going to click on services, and I'll show you something. So you click on services. Sorry for my slow internet connection. Okay, and here you can see your standard plan, or your Go Basic plan, and your pricing, what you are going to be paying every year for. You can see active here, and then after you click on that, then you click on your package. So you click on standard. Okay, so you continue, you click again. Today I'm not using my router, and that's why I have a poor connection today. So after you click on that, you click on log into cPanel. So you click on it, log into cPanel. Just wait for it. So log into cPanel. It's taking us to cPanel, and cPanel is where you control everything about your hosting accounts. I mean your website. Okay, and you can see the first one is emails, Jet backup. This one talks about backups, billing and support, file. Hello, welcome back. In this video, you're going to learn how to set up your emails. We're also going to install WordPress in this video, and WordPress is a content management system we use to manage our websites and build our websites without touching a single line of code. So even if you're not a developer, you can use WordPress and build your desired website. Okay, so for now, I'm going to show you how to create your emails for your business. We're not going to be using Gmail to chat or communicate with our clients on our website. We're going to be using a professional email that will look something like support@yourwebsitename.com or help@yourwebsitename.com, not gmail.com. And after you ordered web hosting, your domain name is going to look, or your website is going to look something like this, blank with index of. You see, there's nothing to render. Okay, so your website is empty. Don't panic, we are going to do that. So let's set up our emails and do other configurations on our hosting dashboard before we start the whole concept. In case you want to communicate or chat or reach out to MaquilleHost at any time, you can click on open ticket here, and then you can click on technical support, sales support, or billing support, depending on the kind of support you need. Okay, so let's go back by clicking services and my services. Okay, and we are back. Okay, so let's go ahead and then create our emails. Okay, so we're going to create one email, and then we're going to connect it to our Gmail and start. We'll use that to be chatting with our or communicating with our potential clients. That way they will know that we are not spammers or scammers or hackers who want to take their money and run, because we want to be in authority. And here you can see some quick shortcuts. This email accounts, forwarders, autoresponders, files, and this is where your email, your website files are going to live. Backups, you can also backup the entire website here. Subdomains, and this is a subdomain. You can see this is what I'm using for tutorials. I can't buy numerous domains simply because of tutorial videos. That's why I'm using a subdomain to make my tutorials. And when you even come here, you can see this is a subdomain. So a subdomain is any name.yourdomainname.com. so tutorial.yourdomainname.com, dash.yourdomainname.com, help.yourdomainname.com, dashboard.yourdomainname.com. Those things are called subdomains. Okay, all right, so for now we are going to click on email accounts in order to create our emails, and it's taking us. Okay, now you can see here I have one email already, support@nsolotech.ml. Forget about this ML. Okay, it's just for my tutorials. And when you land on a page like this, you will see a default or a system generated thing just like this. Ignore it, and then to your right you can see create. Okay, so click on create, and you can see create an email account. Your domain name is here. If you have 2 domains, 3 domains, you can select that here and then go with it. But because I have created all these subdomains to make my tutorials. You are seeing this, but in your case, you should have something like one domain name. And you come here and then you can see that there's a text field and then at your domain name.com. Make sure here you enter something like maybe help. Okay, so you can enter help at your domain name.com, and then you create a password for your email accounts. So you can generate password or enter your own password. In my case, I want to generate password, and then make sure you copy this password somewhere. You can also reset this password anytime, but because you are going to be logging in using your hosting through your hosting dashboard, you don't need to memorize this password. Okay, and after that you scroll down and then you click on create. Okay, so you click on create, and your account has been created. So right now you have an email address that is help at your domain name.com. Whichever domain name you want to use, you can use. The choice is yours. Okay, so we have created our domain name. Let's check our inbox. So you click on check email. And we're waiting for webmail to log us automatically into our inbox. And here we are, and then we can click on open. And congrats, your domain name, your email address has been set up and everything is up and running. You can start chatting with your clients using this inbox instead of Gmail, and that will put you in authority. Okay, so let's go ahead and then connect this email, that's help at your domain name.com. All right, so we're going to connect this email to our Gmail. So before you can do that, you need to go to tools and then go to emails where you see mails. Okay, so you search for that. Okay, so here, this is where I pin it, and you can see inside your cPanel you can drag any feature down here and up. Okay, you can reposition things, and because of that I've repositioned that on top. And you can click on this arrow, and here you see forwarders. Click on forwarders, and after you click on forwarders, you can also, this is where you're going to add a new forwarder. So you click on add forwarder, and after you click on add forwarder, you enter your domain name here. So we set it as help, so enter help at your domain name.com. If this is not the domain name, you can click here and then choose the domain name, but this is the domain name we set up, and we are going to use that for the forwarding. So you go back and then make sure you enter your forward to email address. So this way you're going to enter in your Gmail address. Okay, so let's enter that here. Okay, so I'm going to enter solo at gmail.com. okay, so it's for testing. This domain name is not mine, so enter that here and then click on add forwarder. So click on that, and an email sent to help at your domain name will now be copied to solo at gmail.com. So if you get an email here, copy of that will be sent to your Gmail, and I think that's helpful. So in this part of the video, we are now going to install our WordPress and then start building our website. Are you ready? I'm also ready. So you can go back and then click on tools. After you click on tools, make sure you go to software clause apps installer. Okay, so you can see software here. You can go to software clause apps installer and then click on that. And it will take you to a page just like this, and this is where you install your scripts. Okay, but in our case we want to install WordPress, so what we are going to do is to click on install. After we click on install, we'll see a page like this, and you can see set software setup. You can choose your protocol here, and always make sure it is HTTPS and not any of these. Okay, you can also choose this and this, but the above ones, forget about them. So this and this, forget about them, but you can choose this and this. But this is my favorite, HTTPS without www. And make sure your domain name is also here. You can also select your domain name here if you have multiple domains. And in the in directory, make sure you remove this and then leave this as it is. That's the version of WordPress. After that, you enter your website name here, and here we're going to enter something like maybe drop service. So I want to, our site is drop. Okay, maybe because I'm going to be reselling app service, maybe. All right, so that is app. So this is for my website. Also enter your site name, and here will be let's see, apps. It's okay. So just be creative and come out with your own description. Okay, after that you enter your admin accounts username and your admin accounts password, and these are the credentials you're going to be needing in order to log into cPanel anytime you want to get access to the dashboard. Okay, so enter. Never use the default admin and pass because your accounts will get hacked. So you can enter your own unique things here, but because of for tutorial purposes I want to memorize this off head, and because of that I'm going to leave them as they are. But please do not, and I repeat, do not use admin and pass for your accounts. And here you can also enter your newly created email we use and we created, and that was help@ensolo.ml. that's your domain name.com. okay, and you won't have problem accessing this because it has been connected to your Gmail. And when you scroll down, you'll see install. You can also enter your details here, and then so let's go back and I'll show you something. So you can enter, you see, let's copy our newly created email and you paste it here. So when you paste your email installation details email here, the installation details will be sent to this email address so for future records, and then you click on install. So let's wait for WordPress to install. Okay, an installation already exists. I'm sorry. All right, so this is the, you can see for yourself. You see, we're installing on this domain name and not this domain name. I mean, and not the other one. Okay, so sorry for that. All right, so here, but in your case you have one domain name here, so you will not face this problem. So this is the one I'm going to install it on. Okay, and then let's go back. All right, so everything is still okay, and let's reinstall WordPress, and then we click on install, and let's see. Let's wait sometimes more. See, today my connection is not all that strong. Let's just wait for it. And congrats, WordPress has been installed, and we can review our website. So let's check it here, and then we'll open this one too. So the first one is your website, and that's what people are going to be visiting, and this is what you are going to be using to control your website. So your people or your clients do not need access to the administrative URL. The only one they need is the main URL, and that is this one. Okay, so let's view our website, and you can see this is the default installation of WordPress, and this is the dashboard. And welcome to WordPress. We are getting there. Okay, welcome to WordPress. So this is where you're going to manage your pages, everything, and this is where we're going to now be developing, using to build a website that would look like this. Okay, so I've showed you your hosting dashboard, how to create your email, and you can see two here. That means you can see that new installation of WordPress, because we entered that there, the details will be sent here. So let's see. Okay, let's wait for it. And you can see a new installation of WordPress 5.9.3 has been completed. Details are below. You can see password. You can see that your database details are here. Your everything here. You can see that. And because my Gmail was a fake one, I don't know how I'm going to access that one, but a copy has been sent. Oh, by now a copy has been sent to someone else. My gosh. Okay, but he will not be able to have access to the password because it has been hashed out. Okay, so cPanel is intelligent, WordPress is intelligent. Okay, and it's because of tutorials, that's why I use that fake email. Sorry for that. All right, but everything is going on well. Okay, I don't have problem with send my details over there. After all, after this tutorial, I'm going to delete this website, and he will not have access to my details or website whatsoever. So just forget about it. All right, so welcome to the dashboard of WordPress, and this is where we're going to be managing everything about our website, pages, media, settings, and everything. So in this video, in this part of the training, I'm going to show you how to set up WordPress, and then we're not going to build the website, the actual website, in the next video. So let's go ahead and set WordPress. So you go to settings and you go to general. And this is the general settings of your website. And you see, when we were installing WordPress, there was a place for us to set our site title and our description. And here you can also edit that. I hope you can remember that. You can edit it. And you see tagline, and your tagline is the description. And this is what I also entered. You can also edit that. Okay. And you see this email. That's the administrative email. Okay, let's scroll down. Membership, anyone can register. Do not mark this because people can register on your website. We don't want that. We want them to other things, but they are not registering. Time zone, your site is English. Change your date format, time format. Week starts on Monday, and save. Okay, and save. The next thing is writings. Okay, something like this. There's nothing to change. Forget about it. Reading. All right, so this is where you're going to set up your home page. Okay, so set up your home page. So you can do that here. We have not created a page for home and a blog page, so for now forget about it. And search engine visibility, make sure this one is empty, because when you click on it, it will discourage search engines from indexing this site. So when you click on it, your website will not be visible on Google after you integrate it or publish it. Discussing, if it's a blog website, you can ban some keywords. And also there are some maybe comments, how people will commenting and other things, discussions on your website. You can do that here. Media, you can also set up here. Permalinks, this is also very important. And with permalink, you see we have a wrong permalink set up. So what we need to do is post name. And let me explain. When you go to my website, the website we're building, you see when you click on order now, you see that it took us to our website name / pricing, and not our website name / the date we created that page / you see that. So we want it to be post name so that it will be / your page and not / date or this kind of things. We don't need that. So it's this one that we need. And after that, save changes. Today I guess I have a bad internet connection. All right, so privacy, you can also deploy that, and then you can create your privacy pages and then link them here. Okay, and then link them here, but you can use this page. So you can just click on it, use this page as your privacy page. So when you click on that, hooray, you have everything ready. All right, you can also collapse this thing and then review it, bring it back. If you want to also manage users on your website, but because we are not going to be allowing signups, no user will be here. But even if you want to manage your profile, or you have someone co-worker you want to manage, you can go to profile and change your own settings. You can change the color of your dashboard, other things here. You can change that. If you want your dashboard to have a different color, you can change that. But here I want to leave it as default. You can also come here and change your name, admin, change it. You can change your email here. You can add a biographic information, change your password, and do a lot of things here, and then update. And you can also click on all users and then manage users. And right now you're the only user in this account. If you ever want to give a user a different privilege, you can choose a role and then give the person as a subscriber, contributor, author, editor, or administrator. Okay, and you have an option for plugins, and this is where you're going to be adding different functionalities to your website, and that's the plugins area. And you see there are a lot of plugins you can use for your website, something like the contact us page plugin. Okay, you can use that here. The next one is appearance, and this is where we're going to be installing a theme called the Astra theme, and that's what we're going to be using to build this website. Okay, so you can also click here and go to themes and see that for yourself. You can see I have a bad connection. All right, and you can add new theme, and then you search for your themes, and some of the themes are actually bad. Okay, but in this video we're going to be installing the Astra theme. Okay, all right, so in my next video we're going to install this theme and then start building this website to look like this. I hope this video has been educative enough. I'll see you in my next video where we're going to learn how to create our drop servicing website. Hello, welcome back. In this video we are going to convert our simple boring website from this look to something like this. Okay, so we're going to start off by installing a theme. And how do you do that? You log into your dashboard, okay, by typing your website name / /wp admin, and you enter your login details and you are inside of your dashboard. Once you get there, make sure at the left hand side of your screen you can see that there's a black panel. You go to appearance and then you go to themes. Once you get there, make sure you delete any default theme that is here, any pre-installed theme that is here. So we want to delete our themes and leaving the active one, because these files can eat our space, okay, our hosting space. So we want to delete them. So delete. Okay, it is refusing to delete. Okay, delete it. Let's delete this one too. Okay, so we are now left with the activated or the active theme. Now this is a pre-installed theme, and this is not what we want. We want to install a nice looking theme, a theme that will give us the flexibility, capability to build our website to look like this. Okay, so let's go back and click on add new. And then to your right you see Astra. If Astra is not here, make sure you search for it here. Just type the name Astra here. Okay, but it should be here. It is on top of the page because it is the most widely used theme, and it's also popular, and because of its flexibility, that's why it is here. Out of 4,798, it is here, almost the second theme here, or the third theme. All right, so after you search for it and you find it, click on install. So let's wait for it. Okay, plugin installed. As you can see on top, it has installed, and the next thing is to activate it. So click on activate and wait for it, and activate it. Okay, let's visit our website and see the change in look. Okay, so our website will change in some way. You can see this is how it's now looking currently. Okay, so there's something we want to install. So the next thing we want to install is a plugin called Elementor, which is a page builder. So we're going to use that to build our pages. So go to plugins and go to add new, and here we are. You can search for Elementor, or you can click on this popular. You see popular? When you click on popular, you see Elementor. Okay, you can also scroll down to see if we will get Elementor. If it is not there, you can type, but when we go to popular, okay, and you can see Elementor is popular. You can see that, and then we'll click on install now. So let's wait for it to install, and Elementor has installed. All right, so just like we did for our theme, the same way we're going to do for this script. So we want to activate. So up until now, we have installed our theme. Congrats. We have also installed our plugin, and we are now activating our plugin. Okay, you see this wizard, make sure you skip. So guess here you can see skip, just skip it. Okay, so skip again, just skip till the end. So skip again, and skip again. All right, here we are. So we're going to, you can browse or you can edit a blank. You can also skip, but just skip. We want to build everything from scratch. I don't need any of this. Just skip. Okay, all right, wait for it. one more time. Okay, good. Now you see this page, see everything here, just forget about it. So you can go back, or just go back. Okay, you can go back. So here, click on go back. You can go back, or okay, you can also use this close. So let's try this. All right, so you can use that close button to just go back quickly. All right, now we're going to create our pages. Okay, so we're going to create our pages before we do anything else. So we go to pages and go to all pages. So we'll delete any page that is here, default pages. Okay, so just click here and then click on bulk action and then move to trash and apply. Okay, so now we don't have any page, we don't have a page on the website. We are now going to create our pages. So we have home page, about, features, and pricing. Okay, so we'll go back to our pages and then click on add new. Okay, close that thing, come here and then type home. So this is our home page, so home, and then publish and publish again. Good. So the first page created, you can go back. So home page created. Next page is we're going to add new page. And let's check. The next page is about. Okay, so the next page is about. So come back and here type about and then publish and publish. Okay, then go back again. Let's reload this page, and about us page is here. The next one is pricing. The next page is features. So we'll copy that and then go to pages, add new, and then put features here and then publish and publish. Okay, good. We have added our third page. All right, so the next page is pricing. So go back and then get our pricing page, copy that. Okay, and then come back here and click on add new, and then put it here and publish again. Good. Our 4 pages are live. So you go back again, reload this page, and you can see we now have 4 pages. Now we want to set this page as home page, so go to settings and then go to writings. I'm sorry for that. So we go to readings. Okay, so it's readings. All right, so you go to a static page and you select home page as home, and we have not created a page for block. Okay, so we can do that later. So if you have a block page, you can create a block and then select that here as block. Okay, and then make sure you save changes. Good. Settings, save. Now let's go back to our pages, all pages, and then we go to home, and you can see this is now the front page, and here you can see edit. Make sure you open it in a new tab. Let's just open it in a new tab. Okay, we want to have everything on new tab so that we can, it will help us, okay, to do things in a faster way. All right, so this is open a new tab. All right, so just leave this one like this, just leave it like that, and then go back to your pages. Now go to dashboard, just go to dashboard, go back to your dashboard, and then you can go to appearance and then go to themes. Okay, now here are your themes. Make sure you delete this theme. We always want to have one theme activated. Okay, all right, so now we have only one theme. Okay, good. Now the next thing we want to do is to install another plugin, okay, called the Astra templates. Okay, so you go to plugins and then you go to add new. Okay, this will help us get more features. Okay, so here you type Astra, just type Astra. All right, like this, and this is the first plugin we want to install. This is the first one, so wait for it. Installed. Let's activate it. A moment. Good, that one too has installed. Okay, so now when you refresh the page, you can see you have something here called starter templates. Okay, so that is, everything is going on as planned. That's okay. So now go back to your page where I said leave it as it is. Okay, if you cannot find it, go back to your dashboard and go to pages, all pages. Okay, so let's just forget about that. Let's just forget about that, and then you see this is the page, and you click on edit, but we want to open it in a new tab. Okay, all right, so a moment please. All right, and now you can see there are two options: edit with Elementor and starter template. Okay, so you can edit with Elementor, and Elementor is a nice page builder. It's very good, beginner friendly. So let's wait for Elementor to load so we can start building our home page. Just a moment, and here we go. Now you can see how blank it is. It's empty. That's good, that's good. So you see this starter template, and this is what we installed. Yes, in a few minutes. click on that. Okay, and here make sure to your left you can see, click on it and then click on free. Okay, click on free. Okay, scroll down, wait for them to load, and we're looking for some a template. Looking for a template called, I can't quite remember the name, but all right, here we go. It's called Tech Setup, and this is the template we want to use. So okay, so let me send you back. Now after click on the free, all these are free versions. All right, and if you know the name, you can use this search to filter it, but this is what we want to use, the Tech Startup. So you click on that and you see who, click on it again. Okay, now you can have a look at how it is. See, just like my website, what I set up. All right, and then make sure you click on import, but we're going to edit everything here and make it look like ours, and then you click on import. So right now it's going to import everything on our page, and that's the home page we are editing, and on top here you can see home. So just wait for it to load. And imported successfully. Okay, everything has imported except that the images are lost. Okay, the images are not here. Now on top here you can see our website name, and we'll replace this by a logo. We'll put a logo here, and on top you see this white bar. We will make sure it looks like this, it is transparent, and we'll also change the background to this color. Right, and we'll put our buttons here, and then also make sure our WhatsApp chat, also change this, also change this colors. Okay, so right now it is not like that. Okay, so we are moving forward. The next thing we want to do is to click on, you see this here, edit section, just click on it, and then when you click on it, you wait for it to load. As you can see, this green bar is loading, and you can go to style, and style is where you customize your things. So go to style, and then you see this image, you can remove it. Okay, and then hover, overlay, you see this one too, remove it. All right, so now we have we don't have overlay that is image, no image that is overlay. So we're now going to change the overlay color or the background color to blue. So first you go back to background, so go back to background, and inside background you see color, click on color, and let me see here, and then you choose your color. So it's just a way of playing with this to make it look like the way you want it to look like, because after I build this, that means a lot of people will have the same design. So I'm only going to show you how to change things so that you will be able to customize everything to look like yours. And I think that's a way of doing things. I will teach you how to fish. All right, so you have changed it. Now let me show you how to change your text. So when you click on this part of it, you'll be able to change this to something like get. Okay, because of time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just copy things from here and I'll paste them into our website. Okay, so you click on it, and to your left you can see that there's a field, a text field, and then you'll be able to type whatever you want to type here. Immediately you type, it reflects on your website, just like on Photoshop. Okay, and that's how you use Elementor. Elementor is very easy to use, just like as well as this. So when you click on it, you see to your left, you can change everything that is happening here on your left, and you'll be able to also change your buttons and point this to or link it to different pages on your website. Okay, and your learn more, you can also change it to about us, and you see these are social icons, right? When you click on this, you can see that the social icons are here, so you can click on any of them and then link them to your social networks. Okay, and below you can also do that here and change this background color. So let me show you how to change this background color to black. So when you click on this 4 or 6 dots, and to your left you can see style, so you click on style and then you see background, and inside here you can see classic. Click on classic and then you can see color. Click on color. When you click on color, you'll be able to change the color of your section. So this is section. All right, and after that, do not forget to update the changes. Okay, so let's wait for it and update it. So right now we'll go back to our website and then reload it. It will change from this button website to something like what we have just changed a minute ago. So let's wait for it, and here it is. So our home page is coming together. I mean, the hero section is coming together. The main area of focus is your navigation bar, which contains your logo and your menus. Okay, and I also show you how to arrange your menus here. So right now let's go ahead and arrange our menus before we continue. So we go ahead and then when we go, you can see appearance and you can see menus. Just click on it. Let's wait for it. And it seems my network is getting better because it's getting to midnight like that. Okay, so there's less traffic, so my network is now getting better. Okay, so maybe this is M1, so maybe I will name my menu M1. So this menu 1. Okay, so this M1, and select this. You can also name it menu 1, but I want to name it M1, and you choose primary menu. Okay, after that you create it. So you create the menu before assigning your pages. Okay, so menu created. Now here are your pages. You can also view them here. Okay, so you can view all, and this is your home page. The next one is, let me see how they are arranged. About, features. Okay, so we come here, so home, about, features, and pricing. After that you click on add to menu, and they are here. If you want this menu to be below here, you can just drag it here, and if you want this to be a drop down, you just do it like this. Let me show you how the drop down looks like. So when you save it and then we go back to the website, we will see it as a drop down. So let's see, this is the website, and we reload. And you can see it's now a drop down. Okay, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's send it back to the top and leave it as it is, and then save menu. All right, so at this point I've showed you how to arrange your menus and do things on your home page. Okay, so what we want to do now is to make sure we make this, we upload our logo, and then also make this transparent. Okay, so we're going to upload our menu, our logo. Okay, so you go back to your dashboard and then you go to appearance and you go to customize. Okay, so you can click on customize. A moment. All right, once you get there, this is where you'll be able to change your website settings and colors, typographic, that's the style, the text style, your buttons, containers, a lot of things you can change here. Your header builder, you can also change that inside here. Okay, so the header builder is where you're going to be talking about your main header and your transparent header, and you can see site title and logo. You can click on that and then you can upload your logo here. So you can see select logo, just click on it and make sure you have a logo that is 180 by 60, and then you select that and you can also select this. Okay, and this is my logo. Logo uploaded. Let's click here, select, so click here. And then let's keep cropping. You can also crop this image, but for now let's keep cropping. All right, so you can see the logo is now displaying. Now we want to remove this text here, so you can see display site title. We don't want to display site title, forget about that. And then you can also switch here, so that's on desktop. If you want to also do that for mobile devices, you can see on mobile. So this is on mobile. You can, I mean here, this is on mobile, so you can also display that on mobile. You can also do that for tablet and Android, so you do that. So that's how you do that. Go ahead and do that for every single device. All right, and site favicon, so you can select favicon, but it's rather unfortunate I don't have a favicon right now, but I will be using the uploaded one, this one, as my favicon, if only they will accept it as my favicon. And we are lucky, and you see this is the, it's not the best favicon ever, but I think it will do the job just for tutorial purposes. So I can crop, yeah, so I'm going to crop it and then leave it as, let it do its thing. And then you're gonna see on top here you have a favicon, and you can publish this, and then you can close it or you guys go back. Okay, so you go back. Now let's go back to the site, the header builder again, and then we're almost done for the logo and things. The next thing we want to do, okay, we can also reduce the size of the logo if you think it is too big. So we can reduce it here and wait for it to load, and it will reduce in size. Okay, guys, take a note that this is on mobile device, so we want to do that for desktop and other devices. So we are done with that. Let's just publish the changes, and we go back, and here you can see transparent header. Just click on it. All right, so enable on complete site, click on this. Okay, let's wait. A moment please. If you're getting value out of this video, do me a favor by subscribing, because these videos take hours long to make, and yeah, I will appreciate that. Okay, so you can see that the header is not transparent. Okay, just that the text here is not visible. Okay, you can also do that on desktop, on mobile, both desktop and mobile. So that's what we just did here. That was on desktop and mobile, so we don't have problem. This will do fine for both devices as well as iPad. All right, so once you are there, go to design, and here you can see you can change your text, your menu color. So scroll down and you see menu color, you can see text color. So you can do that here, normal and what, over. So click on normal and choose your preferred color. I want it to be white, and then you publish. Okay, and you see all is good. Okay, and then you can go back. So we are done with the important part of it, and then we can go back again, and we can even close this page. So I will stop this video here and then create another one showing you a continuation, because I'm getting tired. Okay, I want to rest more and continue with the next tutorial. Okay, but make sure you continue watching the playlist. All right, so but remember to save your menu. And yeah, so okay, before I go, let me go back to the site, and then we reload it, and you then see the end result. Okay, and here we go. So it's now similar to this. All right, yeah. All right, then I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Hello, welcome back. Make sure you go and also take break, because I took 20 minutes break. Make sure you also take 20 minutes break if you have not done that. Okay, because this video is long. Okay, so we're done with the hero section. We've created our transparent header. Let's change our text here and here. After that, we will change this to look something like this. Okay, so here the background is some it looks like, is it indigo or blue? All right, and here black. Okay, so I want to make sure we design it this way. Is this like Photoshop? If you have used Photoshop or Canva, you can also build this. It's not that complicated, guys. All right, so we're going to do that. And next one we're going to do is order now. So this button, we want to change it to order now. So let me close some of the tabs to reduce. Okay, so this is the button we want to change. So you just click on it, or this pencil icon, you click on it, and you can see here this text. Make sure you change, you put your order now here. So order now, and it has changed. Order now. It's not complicated. Now you link it to your pricing page. Okay, so your pricing page, let's do that. So this is our pricing page. So go ahead and copy this link address, and then go back and paste it here, so that your client will be redirected to your pricing page. And you make sure to update. And here I want to show you how to create an anchor menu. That means when they click on it, it will scroll, give them a scroll effect. Let me show you. So when they click, you see that it will scroll to that portion of it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that one too. And you can see this, just click on it, and you see this link. Enter some text. It's an ID. Okay, and the ID is maybe scroll. Okay, but make sure this in small letters. Okay, scroll. Just leave it like this. this is how I spell my scroll. So, and copy the scroll. Okay, so it's SCROL. You can also name anything you want. Okay, you can also name it as solo, anything, just make sure it's unique. Okay, and then just leave it like that. All right, now save the changes, just update it, and after you update it, scroll to the part you want it to send you. Okay, so let's say you want it to scroll to this part. Okay, if that's the case, then you need to, you see this here, just click on that. All right, and then go down, you see menu anchor. You see this menu anchor, just grab it. Okay, drag it, and then you see that, you see some action here. You see that blue line, just leave it there. All right, and then enter your, let me send you back. I'll send you back. You see here, you see the link, you see this solo, enter solo, only the solo, the text without the hash. So go back, you see click on it again. Okay, so you click on it and then enter solo. So enter solo and then save it. Okay, so save it, and after that, let's check how it will work. Let's wait for it. Let's click on it and see, will it scroll? And when you look below this page, you can see that, yes, here, this part, you see that there's an anchor text there. Okay, hash solo. So when you click on it, you see that it will take you to that part. All right, so that's how you do that. Okay, so we are done with that thing. Now the next thing we want to do is to change this background to blue. So you just click on it. Okay, you can also click on this pencil if you want. You can also click here. Okay, so we want to click here. We don't want to remove this image, so click here and then you go to style, you go to here, you can change your overlay color to maybe blue, white, whichever color you want. But to the left, you see that one is white. Okay, let me show, let's go back to, let me send it back to, okay, so that one is black. All right, so we go back and then, okay, so this one is black, so you choose this one. All right, so this one, this is what we want to change, this column. All right, so here, and then you can choose your background color, black. Okay, so that one is black. The next one we want to do is this one, you see this one, click on that one too here, and this time, because they use an image for it, just delete it, just delete it completely. All right, we have deleted it and it's now white. We don't want white, we want to change it to something like this. Okay, but make sure you have uniform color. Okay, color combination. Good, and you can enter your text here and describe your service the same way you do for this. All right, so also just leave this one as it is because it's already white. But in my demo, let me see. Okay, so in my demo I should change it, so let's also change it. So click on this, and then this time, instead of blue, we are not going to take black, so it will be like this, cross multiplication. So this is black. So you click on it and you go to style and you go to background type and you go to a color, and this time is what, black. Okay, so this one is black, and the same way we do to the right hand. Click here, and you see this image, just remove it, delete it, just delete it, and then make sure you select your color as blue, and then select your color, but make sure your color is the same as this, and it's also the same as the hero section. Okay, and after that you also come here and you see this, click on it. You can come here, click on it, and here you'll be able to also change it to, maybe let's take a look. All right, so we're also going to change it to something like this. You can see, and you can also change your text and just customize it. Make sure you enter what you want to describe your service. Enter them here because the video is going to be long. Okay, and here you see this one, this section, just remove it. I don't want to use that, so you can remove it. You can also customize if you are comfortable with that. Okay, but in my demo I remove that, so just remove it and then update. So we are done with the home page, so we're going to the pricing page. Okay, so let's go to the pricing page. So we'll go back and click here and then go to pages. So we'll click on dashboard. We're going to the dashboard to change things. So we go to pages, all pages, and my network is now good. Okay, so don't worry again. So go to open it in a new tab. See, all right, now the next thing we want to do is to just like we are repeating what we did for the home page. So that means here we're going to click on what, edit with what, Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor, wait for it. So Elementor is loading in real time. Elementor is loading. Let's wait for it a moment. Good. And later we'll change this copyright thing here, and we change it to our website name and not the Astra team copyright text. So again, you click on what, starter template, come here and go to free and scroll down, and the thing was tech startup. Okay, and here is it. Okay, and you see this is the pricing page we're editing, so we're on the right page, and you click on it again, and you see this time choose plans. Okay, so you click on it, and this is how the plans look like, and we're going to edit this one too. So just import template and wait for it to import. So wait for it. Imported successful. It will reload, and here we go. Okay, so now this is where we're going to be customizing our pricing page. So again, you click on this and then go to style, and you see this image, you remove it. Okay, you can put your okay, the overlay, the background overlay, you can also remove that one too as well. All right, so now you have a blank slate. There's nothing like image here again, so we can go back to the background. All right, and then here you can see classic, and you see color. So the color, change it to blue, and then blue. Okay, so just make sure you play with it. Choose your favorite colors, please. Do not copy me. You can choose green, whichever color you want to choose, you can choose. Okay, all right, it's simple. It is very simple working with Elementor, but because I'm looking at my demo to build the site or teach you, I'm going to be using the colors I have used already. So I'm going to be using this. All right, so let's go back. Here we go, here, and then choose. Okay, so this color is okay. Make sure you edit this and customize. Very simple, very simple. And then when you come down here, you can now start adding your prices, and you can also copy from your okay, let me show you. Let me just go back to the Fiverr and then show you. Okay, so this is what I am going to use. Okay, so basic is $5. So I'll copy this text. I'll copy that. I can also type it if I wish, and then come here and click on the pencil, and to your left you can see here, just paste it there. So just paste it here. All right, and your price, click on the pencil again, and then choose from $5 how much profit do you want to make. If it's $10 or $20, then you put that here. In my case, I want to make $20 profit from this because he is offering it for $5, and I will resell it for what, 25. And when I get the order, I will place an order on this website, and then leaving the difference or keeping the difference, and the difference will now be mine. Okay, and this is a legal business. There's nothing illegal about this. All right, so 5, I will change it to 25. So 25, and you see this per month. Okay, you see this per month thing. Make sure you remove it. Okay, so make sure you remove it. You can right click on it and then go to what, delete. So working with Elementor is very, very, very simple, and here you can change it from free to what, basic. So you can copy everything from the right directly from Fiverr, and then paste it on this page. So paste from basic here. I'm now changing it to standard. I'm now changing it to standard, and to your left, standard. And the price, I also remove the per month because it's not a recurring thing. Okay, it's not a subscription base. This one to the same thing. Right click and delete. Then we change this price to from 20. Let me look at what I am. So here, so 60. I'll go back, change it to what, 60, and make sure this one too, you change the package name, and this one is premium or pro. Okay, go back and then go to full access and change it to premium, and here you are offering it, you give your price, but in my case it is 100, like this, and you enter your things here. That's your description. This is the description, and this is what you're offering, or what this package will give. That's website to Android app and iOS. Copy that, and then you go back to the 100 place, and that is it. So you click on this icon, or just click directly, and then to your left you can see you can't change it here. Okay, all right, and the standard will be website to Android and iOS. Okay, and website to Android and iOS. Okay, it is what it is. So website to Android and iOS. So copy here, and then you come here, click, and you paste. So I hope you now get the concept. It's very, very simple. And you can also do the same thing. Click here, and then you change everything here, and make sure you change everything. Now I will not be able to do every single thing here. It will take 10 hours. We'll just waste our own time here. So let me just change 2 things here, and then 2 things here, and then you now use that knowledge, you replicate that to do the rest. So first thing first, we're going to look at the basic plan, and the basic plan will give you okay, it's still level with this one. Okay, so copy that, go back, and then let me look at this again. Okay, I'll come here. Okay, all right, so you leave some space, and then you paste it here. Okay, and then because I have italicized it, you can also italize it. So it's just like text document, Word, Microsoft Word. So you can italize it, you can make it bold, you can underline it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. Very, very simple. Now after that, you come here and just click on it. Now let's go and see what that package offers. So it's given one operating system, app icon, splash screen. Yeah, so you can copy that, and then come back here, and then you can see immediately you click on it, you see to your left, click on it, and then you can change that text here, just like this. You see that? So the next one is that's here. So smart notification, just remove it, and then change it to app icon. Copy that, come back and change it to app icon. So paste it here, and you can see app icon. So that's it. And those that are crossed out, yeah, so you can also do that here. If you want to delete anything here, you see this cross, this close thing, and click here to remove. It's as simple as that. And if you want to ever add something in this list too, just click on it, just like what you did for the top one, the same thing. So you click on it and then go to your page, and what he's not offering, you copy that, and then make sure you paste it, and that is it guys. It's so simple. Now finally, I'm going to show you how to add your payment links here, and here, and after that we say bye bye to this video. And after I say bye bye to this video, I'll be talking about the next video that will be showing you how to promote this business for free. Okay, so you click on the button and you can see there's a place for link here, and here I'm going to be showing you how to integrate PayPal payment invoice for yourself. Just like here, when you come to my website and you go to the basic plan and you click, you can see that it will take you to PayPal invoice page where they can pay you via PayPal. And this is PayPal, and here we go. So they can click on pay now and pay you directly. Okay, so whichever payment system you are using, there's a place you can click and then create a payment link, and then after you create a payment link, you just copy that link, you copy it and throw it inside. So you can make a Google search how to create PayPal payment link, and then it will show you how to do that step by step. That is very simple. So you pause this video and watch that for yourself. Okay, and then you copy that link and make sure you go ahead and then paste it here. After you click on the button, then you paste it here. Okay, the same way applies to the other link. Just make sure you also do the same. Click on it. All right, just click on it and also paste your link, but make sure when you are setting your payment link, make sure you also add the prices attached. I'll make separate video. I don't know the time, but I will make the separate video showing you how to create PayPal payment links and other payment links for yourself. So also remember to check the channel or check on YouTube on how to do that for yourself. But if you cannot wait, I will create video for you maybe within the week or someday showing you how to do this. So if you're not a subscriber already, subscribe. So the same way for your second package, you create a separate link, and then you, during the creation, you add your price and you paste that link here too. And the third link, you also do the same. You create the link, give your link a price. Maybe that link will be $100, depending on the price you are setting for your business. Make sure your payment, you add $100 there, okay, and then click on it and make sure you paste it here. After that, just update the changes. So if you update these changes, that means if you go back to the website, let's reload, open this website in a new tab. If you go back to this website and then click on order now, because we have linked it to our pricing page, it will take us to our packages, and you can see, and some, you see the background color is not all that compatible, it's not clear, so you can also change that here. Let's just do that right now. So let's go back to the top of the website and click here, and then make sure here under style, okay, so under style, make sure choose your color and then choose your color, and for some reason it is not responding. Okay, let me see, that was overlay. I don't want to use an overlay, so maybe let's clear it. I don't want to use an overlay. So for now, just do not use overlay. Okay, so here make sure you go back to background, right? Just background on top, and then you choose your color. Okay, I want it to be like this. Okay, if not, it will be, the text will not be legible. All right, so that is it. Okay, let's now look at our website. Let's reload it again and see the effect after changing the color, and you can see, I think this looks better. All right, now you scroll down, and when you click on this link, it takes you to your payment link you created with the payment provider you choose, be it Stripe, PayPal, Flutterwave, Paystack, Authorize.net, whichever payment provider you choose to create your payment link. Just paste that here right now. All right, and below you can also make edits to this or just delete it completely. Okay, let me also show you how you can copy things from this part, different page, to from one page to the other. So I'm going to copy this section. Guess here I'm going to copy this, so just right click on it, this block. Okay, all right, so I'm going to copy this, so you click on, right click on it and copy it, and then we go back to the pricing page and you scroll down. You can see this close, make sure you see this plus, make sure you click on it, and then right click on this box. Okay, just right click on it and then paste. After you paste, I want you to close this text, the design below, so it's gone, and then make sure you edit things here and then update the changes. Okay, all right, now you can see this image. Let me show you a website where you can go to get images for your website if you want to do that. Okay, go ahead and type on draw illustrations, just like this, on draw illustrations on Google, and this will give you lots of illustrations to use on your website. So depending on the category of website you are creating, you can get a lot of illustrations for your website. Okay, so you can decide to use this mobile application. So let's deploy it, and then you can download it as an image. Okay, guess this one to use for your website. You can also change the color if you want to change. So you can change color here. If your website color is green, you can change that there. So that's a nice resource for you to use to make your website look amazing. And you can also make use of this search box to also search for things you are looking for. If you are looking for maybe something like the globe, you can search for that. Money, you can search for that. Anything you want to search for, you can search for that here. Okay, and that is very interesting. All right, so these are illustrations. Okay, so I think I've covered a lot about this. So in the next video I will be talking about, let me check. All right, how to promote your business on Facebook for free, and also on classified as website. So I'm going to be talking about classified as websites. You can promote your business for free and then get sales. All right, so thank you very much for sticking with me till this far. Hoping to see you in the next video. Bye bye. Hello, welcome back. In this video we're going to promote our website, our drop servicing website, on classified as website or platforms for free. And I'm also going to be showing you how you can promote your business on Facebook for free. Okay, so we have just finished building our drop servicing website that looks like this, and we have a page, okay, a pricing page where they can purchase our services. Okay, where they can purchase our packages. Now we want to promote this in front of people who may be interested in this offer. So the first classified ad site I'm going to be talking about is Craigslist, which is very popular and has a lot of traffic. Okay, it has a lot of traffic. So you can see US, Canada, Europe, and other places can post your services on here, and then people will start contacting you, and hopefully you make a sale. Okay, so all you have to do is to create an account on Craigslist, and after you create an account on Craigslist, then you make sure you post your services on this platform. All right, so then we go to Africa, and then you can see here Ghana. So I'll click on that. Because I'm in Ghana, that's why I'm clicking on Ghana. So we wait for it to load, and you can see Ghana. This is a page for Ghana. If you want to post your services here, you can do that. You can also post on other countries as well. So let's say I want to post my services on Ghana, like here on the Ghana column. I'll click on the Ghana, and after that I'll go to services, and then I can look at what is here and then do it. So here maybe computer category may be a good fit, or business category will also be a good fit. Okay, and you create an account, and then you start posting your services. Okay, so that's how you do that. So it's very simple. You create an account here by going to my accounts, and then you enter your details, and then create an account, and then post your service. The second website is odel.com, which is a marketplace. Here you can also select the country or the location, United States, and you can also post your services here as well. All right, and you make sure you provide value on the platform, and then link to your website and what you offer. So you can start writing things about apps, okay, and talk about how important it is to have your own app. So just be creative and list your services on these platforms. All right, and the next one is classifiedas.com, which is also popular. You can create an account and post your service on this platform. Okay, and okay, that's the same website here. The next one is Gumtree. You can also register, post your services under your category. Okay, services, and maybe under businesses. You can also do that there. The next one is azclassifiedads.com. okay, they are also available in the US. You can see that. You can add your listings, you can register, log in, and then post your free services. Okay, all right. So the last one I'll be talking about is Facebook. Facebook also has a classified area. So when you go to Facebook and below, you can see marketplace. When you click on marketplace, it will take you to classified as area, and people are here selling their things. You can also list your services here, and you get traffic in that order. Okay, and there's something called the power of compounding. That means when you post your services for free on more than 100 classified as website, when everything comes together, you start getting order maybe once or twice or thrice or 5 times every week or month. Okay, depending on your seriousness level and how you provide value to these people. Okay, you can also start a YouTube channel and then start talking about things related to your service, and you get traffic in that order. So the next thing I want to be talking about is how to also promote your business on Facebook. Okay, so what you are going to do right now is to have or go to your personal Facebook accounts. Okay, and up here just click on it, and then you type business owners group. Okay, so you are going to join Facebook groups that talk about business. Okay, and then make sure you read more and also take notice of the members in that group. All right, so the people here are business owners, and they may be interested, or they may have a website but may not have an app. And I'm saying an app because in my case I am using an app, or I'm offering an app service to these people. That's why I'm using an app. So also target your own audience. Okay, so you join the groups and start providing value to these people, and when they see you in authority, you can link it back to your website after you have provided some value. Okay, so that is it. You basically you just join groups and start talking about your services. Okay, and make sure you do not spam these groups. If not, they will remove you from the group. All right, you can also click on see more to see the groups in the business owners category. So let me wrap up by showing you how to add a WhatsApp chat system where these people will now start chatting with you on WhatsApp, and when you come to an agreement, they will place an order, because they may not place an order straight away unless they know more about you first. So we're going to add a WhatsApp chat system just like this here. Okay, So just like this on our website. So make sure you open a new tab and type get button. Okay, so you type getbutton.io. Let me take you to that. All right, so you type getbutton.io. okay, you type getbutton.io on your search box. Right, when you type that, you land on their web page and you scroll down and you see this WhatsApp icon. Just click on it and close the first one. After that, you enter your mobile number here, but don't forget to add your country code, that is plus. So country code, and then you enter your phone number. And after you enter your phone number, you can also enter your logo, but this is a paid thing. Before you can add your logo, you have to pay. And if you want your icon to be at the left hand side, you can do that here. If you want it to be at the right hand side, you can also do that here. And you enter here maybe WhatsApp as or message as. Okay, so you can add WhatsApp as or message as. In my case, I want to add WhatsApp as. So WhatsApp as, and then you enter your email here and copy the code. So make sure you enter your email here. Okay, so I'm going to enter my email here. This is just for testing. I'm not entering my real email here. Okay, I already have my code, so click on check. Okay, so they don't want fake emails, they want the genuine email. All right, so I'll enter my actual email. I mean, that's a URL of your website. Okay, I'm sorry for that. That's a URL of your website. So here you enter the URL of your website. Okay, so you enter the URL of your website here, and let's say this is the URL of my website, and then you can check to see it on a live preview. And after that, you can also come here below, and this is where the email thing comes into handy. So you enter your email here and then click on get button. After that, you copy this text and then you go ahead, go back to your website where you're going to be pasting, or where you're going to be. So we're going to now paste out. We are going to log into WordPress and then go to our dashboard. Okay, so go to our dashboard and then we go to pages. So let's wait for it, and we go to pages. So you see pages, go to all pages. Once you get there, make sure you edit it with Elementor again, because we're going to paste this code. So you open your home page, open your pricing page, and open the pages you want your WhatsApp chat icon to appear. So this is my home page loading. Let's wait for it. So once it loads, you go ahead and paste your code maybe below or any part of your web page. So make sure you scroll down, and we're going to take some, you see this HTML thing, copy it and paste it at any part of your web page. Okay, maybe on the header or any part you want, it does not matter. All right, so just paste it here, and after you paste it there, you come back to the code area and you paste your you paste your code, and after you paste your code, you can see it here already in action, and then you update the changes. So you wait for the changes to update and success. The same way you do to other pages. So here you also scroll down, and you see HTML. See this? Just pick it and also drop it here. You can also drop it here. After all, it's not going to be visible at the front end, so just leave it there and also paste it here. So when you paste here, you see it's already in action. All right, and you update the changes, and after that we go back to view our website, and we can see that the WhatsApp chat is already active on our website. Okay, and here we go. So I hope this video has been informative, and this you have just finished watching a complete course on how to create your own drop servicing website to start accepting online payment. If you don't have an online business today, go ahead and start implementing these steps, because I'm doing it myself, I'm doing it for my clients, people are doing it around the globe. So there's no excuse to wait and start complaining that there's no employment when you have employment at your fingertips if you already have a laptop and internet connection. I'm super excited to have you all here rolling in your numbers to watch this course. And if you are not a subscriber already, do me a favor by subscribing to this YouTube channel, because it helped me. This video took me like some number of days to make, and I've finished making the video, so I'm not going to release them online so you people can have access. Okay, but I hope you are already watching that, and because I've uploaded them already. All right, so bye bye and have a great learning experience. My name is Yizna Solomon.